Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, confirm your school lets students use Google Classroom and whether you need a school email or a class code. Once done, prepare the email address and a secure password that meets school rules. Open Classroom. Google.com or install the Classroom app on your device. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network and signed into the correct Google account. This avoids creating multiple accounts and prevents access problems later when joining classes. Sign in using the exact school-issued Google account when required. If a personal account is allowed, confirm permissions. Once signed in, click the plus icon and choose Join Class. Enter the class's 6-character code exactly as given. Codes are case-sensitive. After joining, open Settings to confirm your display name and email match school records so teachers can identify you. If you must accept a teacher invitation instead, check your inbox and accept the invite to link the class to your account. Finish setup by updating your profile photo and notification preferences so you don't miss deadlines. You'll find assignments in classwork and announcements in Stream. Click Attachments to open docs, slides, or Drive files. Make sure your device is synced and check that you're using the correct account domain if access is blocked. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache, sign out and sign back in, or contact your school admin to verify the account and class code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.